Hello everyone! So for this video, we are going to discuss how to plot the ordered pairs in the Cartesian plane. But before that, let us discuss first kung ano bang ibig sabihin or ano itong rectangular coordinate system, which is very important before we will plot the ordered pairs in the Cartesian plane. So, saan ba natin ginagamit itong concept ng rectangular coordinate system? So, imagine nasa zoo, no? Nasa zoo ka. So, gusto mong malaman kung nasaan bang parte ng zoo yung andun yung um, mga fishes, kung saan ba parte sa zoo, andun yung mga bugs, snakes, no, yung lion. So let's say for example, andito ka sa parking lot. So you want to know kung nasaan ba yung mga food stall. So andito yung location ng food stall natin. And then for example, andito yung entrance. And then yung saan location naman kaya yung mga fish. So, andito yung location ng mga fish. And then, saan kaya yung location ng mga lions or tigers? So, andito yung location. So, let's say, itong entire plane na ito is, kung kunyari, ito yung map natin. So, with this, maaari nating matatagpuan yung location ng mga hinahanap natin. Okay. The rectangular coordinate system, or also known as the Cartesian plane, is in honor of the French mathematician René Descartes. Now, a Cartesian plane is a real number plane formed by two perpendicular number lines. So, ito ang ating two perpendicular number lines. Ito ay tinatawag nating x-axis, itong horizontal number line. At na ito namang vertical line ay tinatawag na y-axis. Y-axis. At itong dalawa, x and y-axis, ay perpendicular sa isa't isa at tinatawag na coordinate axis. Now, since perpendicular itong x and y axis, so ito ay nag-i-intersect sa isang point na tinatawag nating origin. Point of origin. Ito yon. Okay? And then, ang location niya ay nasa 0, 0. Ito, ang location niya ay nasa 0, 0. Ngayon naman, itong entire plane ay dinivide into 4 dahil sa dalawang perpendicular lines na ito. So, ito ay tinatawag na quadrant 1, ito ay tinatawag na quadrant 2, ito ay tinatawag na quadrant 3, at itong bahagi naman nito ay tinatawag na quadrant 4. Dito sa quadrant 1, kung mapapansin ninyo, from 0 papunta sa taas, lahat yan ay mga positive numbers. From 0 naman papunta sa right, ang lahat ng mga numbers dito ay mga positive numbers or positive integers. Ito naman ay mga positive integers din. From here, papunta naman dito sa left, lahat ng yan ay mga negative numbers. At ito naman sa baba, from here, papunta sa baba, mga negative integers din or negative numbers din. Okay? So, ang ibig sabihin niyan, dito sa quadrant 1, meron lang tayong mga ordered pairs. Ang tinatawag dito ay mga ordered pairs na positive lahat. Dito naman, negative at positive. Dito naman, negative, negative. At dito naman ay positive and negative. Okay. Any point P, so ito, for example, ito yung point natin. Point P ang tawag dyan. I mean, ang pangalan ng point, sabihin natin ay P. Point P. Okay. So, itong point P na ito, meron itong any point plotted on a Cartesian plane is defined by an ordered pair xy. Ordered pair xy. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, pwede nating i-locate yung point na yon gamit itong ordered pair. Ordered pair. So, ano itong ordered pair? Mauuna lagi or isusulat natin lagi yung x coordinate, which is called abscissa, and then susunod yung y coordinate, which is yung ordinate, tinatawag na ordinate. Again, ang point, ang point, pwede nating ipangalan yan or i-locate yung point na yon gamit ang ordered pair. At ang ordered pair, nauuna or sinusulat lagi yung x, tapos susunod ang y. So we already know the different parts in the Cartesian plane. So we are ready to plot the ordered pairs in the Cartesian plane. So to plot a point, we need to start from the origin and do the following steps. So, sabi natin kanina na nauuna palagi sa ordered pairs, nauuna palagi ang x-coordinate, which is ang abscissa. So, yun ang titignan muna natin. If x is positive, move x units to the right. So, magmo-move tayo to the right if ang x natin ay positive number. At if our x is negative, we will move the x units to the left. So for example, ang x coordinate natin ay 4, so we will move 4 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And then, from that point on the x-axis, so for example, andito tayo sa negative 4, we move the y units up if y is positive. So for example, ang y coordinate natin ay positive 5. So we will move 5 units going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our point will be here. But if our y number is negative, then we will move downward. So for example, we will move the units going down. For example, our y coordinate is negative 4. So we will move down 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And our point will be here. Okay. Plot the following ordered pairs on the Cartesian plane. Determine the quadrant or axis where it is located. Okay. Try natin muna yung number 1. So again, yung lahat ng first number sa ating ordered pairs, yan ay mga x coordinates. At ang second number, yan naman ay y coordinates. Okay? So let us have first the x coordinate. So, sa number 1, ang x-coordinate natin ay 2. 2. So, we will start sa center, sa point of origin. Tapos, since ang x-coordinate natin ay positive 2, so we are going to move to the right 2 units. So, move tayo 1 and 2. Ayan, 1 and 2. So, andito na tayo. After that, we are going to move, so ang y natin dito ay positive 3. So from here, we are going to move up 3 units kasi positive 3. So we are going to move 1, 2, 3. So andyan ang location ng ating point with 2, 3 as the ordered pair. Okay, let's erase this one. Next, we are going to locate naman ang ating point with the ordered pairs or coordinates negative 3 and negative 2. So again, ang x coordinate natin ay negative 3. So start tayo ulit dito sa middle or dito sa center. And then since negative 3 ang ating x, so we are going to move to the left in 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. Ayan. So andito tayo ngayon. And then ang y-coordinate natin ay negative 2. So ibig sabihin, we will move down in 2 units. So we're going to go down 1. From here, yung kanina, sa yung location natin, we're going to move down 1, 2. At andito ang location ng ating point with the coordinates negative 3 and negative 2. Yan, let's erase this one. Ayan. Next naman, 1 and negative 4. So, start tayo ulit dito sa center. So, according doon sa given, ang x natin, ang x-coordinate ay 1. So, ibig sabihin, we are going to move to the right with 1 unit. So, move tayo, 1. Ayan. Then, from here, ang y-coordinate natin ay negative 4. So, ibig sabihin, we will go down with in 4 units. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. At yan ang location ng ating point with the coordinates 1 and negative 4. Then, another point with coordinates 0, 5. Ang x natin dito ay 0. So, ibig sabihin, mananatili muna tayo dito sa center. Kasi nga 0, walang movement ang ating x coordinate. So, walang movement. Okay. Then, yung y natin ay 5. 5. So, positive 5. So, ibig sabihin, from here sa center, we are going to move up 5 units. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At andyan ang ating point with the coordinates or ordered pairs 0, 5. Next, negative 1, 0. Okay, so from center again. So negative 1, ibig sabihin, we are going to move 1 unit to the left. So, move tayo ng 1 unit. 1. Ayan. And then, yung y-coordinate natin ay 0. So, ibig sabihin, walang movement. Walang movement. So, kanina, nag-move lang tayo from the center going to the left ng isang beses dahil dito, negative 1. So, and then yung y-coordinate natin ay 0, no movement. So, ibig sabihin, ang location ng point natin is andito lang. And that is where the location of the coordinates of the point with the coordinates negative 1 and 0. And that's it. That is how we are going to plot the ordered pairs in the Cartesian plane. By the way, all the points here, so ang point with the coordinates 2, 3 ay under sa quadrant 1. At ito naman, point with the coordinates negative 3 and 2 ay nasa quadrant 3. At ito namang point na with coordinates 1 and negative 4 ay nasa quadrant 4. At ito namang point ay nasa y-axis at itong point naman ay nasa, okay, at itong point na ito ay nasa y-axis at itong point na ito ay nasa x-axis. Itong point nasa quadrant 1, nasa quadrant 3 at ito naman ay nasa quadrant 4. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa videong ito. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to my Facebook and YouTube account. Hanapin lang ang Math Squad. Maraming salamat sa ulitin!